Carvertical is a vehicle history check service designed to help buyers avoid bad deals when purchasing used cars. Here how it works. So first you enter your registration number or the VIN. Start by typing the car's 17-character VIN or its registration number. And then next, there will be a global database scan happening on the back end of Carvertical. So it scans over 900 plus trusted sources across 45 plus countries, including insurance, police, and registration records. So third is they will generate a report in about around 1 minute or less. And what you get are reports that reveal mileage rollbacks, accident damage, theft records, financial restrictions, specs, market value, and even photos of the car's past condition when available. And then lastly, you can save money by buying multiple reports if you are comparing several cars. So basically, Car Vertical is a legit tool for checking used car history. It's not free. You pay for the car report, but the data can save you from costly mistakes like buying a car with hidden damage or fake mileage. So you can check this sample report. Just go to vertical.com and then on the top navigation bar, you will see the reports. And then click on sample report. You will see the full report here of an example car. It's a Ford Mustang. You will see the VIN here, mileage, damage, and everything. So basically that's it.